Hello everyone and welcome to this video of getting ready with me. I don't know what I'm just doing this video. It's just I decided to do a chit chat makeup. No, I don't think it's going to be chit chat because it's going to be too long. So yeah, yesterday I was really sick at bed. I couldn't sleep and I was so pitiful that I was watching YouTube videos to make me feel, to find some comfort, and I was watching a lot of vlogs of girls that I love, and one of these girls, I really loved her look, and I was like, you know what, tomorrow I'm going to do my makeup, do my best look, put my wig on, go out and live my best life. There's a lot of sun today and it's really surprising for Paris. Yes, it's spring, but it's really surprising to have sun in Paris these days. So I was like, tomorrow I'm going to take pictures, I'm going to post it online, I'm going to make a YouTube video, and I'm going to go out. Let's go. How are you? Oh, my cup of tea to digest everything that I ate. Je peux me tuer, hein. This one. Oh my god, why I look more tired with but it's okay.
네, 화이팅.
Contouring here, 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 and maybe here. Oh, I look skinnier. Okay, now the eyebrow. Have to know something about me. I don't do my eyebrows. Eyebrow. I thought for a long time that I should do this. That if I did my eyebrows, I would be a woman. And then I realized that I didn't need that because my eyebrows are just fine. So I'm really lucky that I don't have to do my eyebrows. So this is how I do my eyebrows. Now let's do the eyes. Yes, the eyes. This palette. Say hi to everyone. Hi, hello. My name is Miss Makeup Revolution London. Reloaded, you're a winner. Yes, you are a winner. toning. I swear you can't see how pretty my makeup is. Now I'm putting under my oh my god, I look so cute. There's no difference. The end. So if you like, please follow me, like, tell me what you want to see next,